Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best hot chocolate makers of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Nestle Nespresso Arachino 3 Milk Frother. This milk frother is particularly simple to use, with one-touch preparation for all modes. Hold the button for 1 second for hot milk or froth, and 2 seconds for cold milk froth. It's versatile and easy for anyone to get the hang of, and it'll even shut off automatically when finished. The unit can hold up to 8.1 ounces of frothed milk, and it even features a non-stick surface for easy cleaning. It's also great for anyone looking for a hot chocolate machine that won't take up much real estate in the kitchen. 4. Chef's Star MF2 Premier Automatic Milk Frother. The frother detaches from the base, and thanks to the vacuum insulation, the device's contents will remain at a steady temperature. The Chef's Star, which has a 4.25-ounce frothing and an 8.5-ounce heating capacity, has 4 functions: hot airy foam, hot milk frothing, cold milk frothing, and the hot dense foam function. 3. Breville Milk Café Frother. The high-end Breville Milk Café Frother has swappable discs, which allow users to get the exact foam consistency they desire. If you're looking to add thick and creamy froth to your cappuccino or smooth and silky milk to your latte, this Breville will get the job done. Making hot chocolate with the device is even easier. Simply add chocolate flakes, powder, or syrup to the frothing milk. Thanks to the induction heating, you'll be able to place the hub in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning, too. 2. Hayden Eeon Electric Milk Frother. Can't wait for the perfect base for your hot chocolate? This electric milk frother is ready to whip up a delicious, warm treat in 60 to 100 seconds. Its sleek, futuristic style makes it an attractive addition to your kitchen, and it's even cordless for your convenience. It comes with 2 different whisking functions for milk frothing and heating for savory, comforting cocoa and energizing lattes. With a max capacity of more than 10 ounces and buttons that make it simple to tell whether your milk is foaming or heating up, this milk frother is everything you need for a delectable beverage. 1. Aerolatte Milk Foamer. The Aerolatte Milk Foamer is one of the best gadgets for all of your hot chocolate frothing needs this season. This whisk has an adjustable speed and turns milk into foam in just a few seconds. If you're looking to upgrade your latte or hot chocolate game, you need this little guy in your kitchen.